Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset, password remove, switch off the phone, Samsung A41, switching off phone, press volume up and power key together, keep holding. When you see logo, release the power key. When you see, then release all the button. From volume down, you can select factory data reset, wipe. Let me close. Wipe data factory reset here. Select with the power key just once. Bring down on factory data reset, and again with the power key. It's resetting all the passwords. Reboot now. Just wait. Very easy to reset any Samsung. All the phone have the same format, new phones. Please subscribe and like my video if it's helpful. Don't press any key, only wait until you go to menu. Wait 2-3 minutes. Don't press any key. The Samsung A41, very easy to hard reset. Factory data reset. It's resetting. You can see it's starting. Password is removed. Now just go next. Put your password, email. Password is removed. You can change the language. I select English and go next. It's very easy to reset any Samsung. It's done. Skip. Just a moment. Samsung A41 is done. Please like and share my video. Thank you for watching.